Education becomes a catalyst in a person's personality development. It introduces a person to different perspectives and thus helps in providing a clear and broad vision to an individual. At Shakti, we believe in nurturing creativity and fostering a love for literature. The accomplishment of our winners reflects the dedication of our students and the unwavering support from our teachers and parents. We extend our heartfelt congratulations to all the winners and the participants for their incredible literary achievement. Their success not only brings pride to us, but also inspires others to explore the incredible world of literature.
नमस्कार। हम 5वीं कक्षा के छात्रों ने मिलकर पतंग बना के पतंग उड़ाने की गतिविधि में भाग लिया था और हम सब छात्रों को खूब मजा आया। My classmates of grade 1 and I learned about the benefits of fruits and vegetables through an activity. We made a healthy food parade with pictures of different foods. We, the students of grade 3, investigated sinking and floating with a range of materials like stones, coins, leaves. We made presumptions and then tested if those objects sink or float. This is in connection with integration of English with EVS for our lesson, The Royal Gift.
Hindi Divas was celebrated with great enthusiasm in our school. The day was marked by various exciting competitions and activities for the students. One of the highlights was the memory game, where students showcased their excellent memorization skills. There was also a storytelling competition where participants captivated the audience with their creative narratives in Hindi. Another interesting event was a speaking competition where students confidently spoke about their favorite fruits and toys, displaying their language proficiency. Additionally, the cultural program showcased the rich heritage of Hindi language through music, dance, and drama performances. The entire celebration not only promoted the importance of the language but also encouraged students to embrace and excel in Hindi.
प्रियवर्गीयाः छात्राः वयं वर्णमालापदरचनम् इति संस्कृतक्रियाकलापे भागभाजः अभवाम। अनेन वयं संस्कृतवर्णमालां तथा पदानि च अजानीम। Unlocking voices, igniting dreams, empowering young minds one word at a time. Students of grade 4 were engaged in a speaking activity where we had to talk about our favorite personalities. This activity paved way to nurture communication, articulate thoughts and ideas, inspire and boost confidence as we gain courage to express ourselves in front of others effectively. We, the students of grade 2, recited an English poem, The Little Plant with Actions. This poem expresses how a little seed grew into a plant.
Field trips offer the students the opportunity to explore and apply the knowledge they have gained in the classroom to real-world situations. Students of grade 1 visited the primary health center where they witnessed the services provided at a local hospital or care facility. Students of grade 2 visited the fire station where the students learned about fire safety and the role of a firefighter. Students of grade 3 visited the Bonda factory by Natural and learned about how raw materials are converted into an end product. Students of grade 4 visited Nandini Milk Dairy where the students learned about the processing and packaging of different milk products. Students of grade 5 visited Das Food and Beverages, a bottle factory where students learned the steps of making and processing plastic bottles and bottling of beverages, showcasing the method of preservation by bottling. Experiential learning approach fosters a deeper understanding and retention of information as students engage with their surroundings and actively participate in the learning process.
ನಗು ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಅರ್ಥವಾಗುವ ಭಾಷೆ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಕಾಸಿಲ್ಲ, ಅದು ಅಮೂಲ್ಯವಾದದ್ದು. ನಗು ಸುಂದರವಾಗಿ ಇರುವ ಕಾರಣ ನಮ್ಮ ಹಲ್ಲುಗಳು. ಈ ಹಲ್ಲುಗಳನ್ನು ಹೇಗೆ ಕಾಪಾಡಿಕೊಳ್ಳಬೇಕು ಎಂಬುದನ್ನು ಹಲ್ಲುಗಳ ತಪಾಸಣೆ ಎಂಬ ಕನ್ನಡ ಪದ್ಯದ ಚಟುವಟಿಕೆಯ ಮೂಲಕ ನಾವು 4ನೇ ತರಗತಿಯ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳು ತಿಳಿದುಕೊಂಡೆವು. We, the students of grade 4, participated in an activity which investigates how to detect starch in everyday food items using iodine solution. The iodine test for starch is mainly performed to test the presence of carbohydrates found in different food products. Me and my classmates of grade 2 learned addition of 2 and 3-digit numbers with different methods such as abstract methods, drawing, hundreds, tens, and ones, and also using UTS kit with regrouping the strategy. This helped us the concept of addition in a better way.
May this festive season of Onam bring an abundance of joy and prosperity to our lives. On behalf of school management, we extend our heartfelt Onam wishes to you and your family.
ಎರಡನೇ ತರಗತಿ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳು ಕನ್ನಡ ಅವಧಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ತಮ್ಮ ಯುಕ್ತಿಯನ್ನು ಉಪಯೋಗಿಸಿ ಸರಳ ಪದಗಳನ್ನು ರಚಿಸಿದರು ಹಾಗೂ ಚಂದಮಾಮ ಪದ್ಯವನ್ನು ಕಂಠಪಾಠದೊಂದಿಗೆ ತರಗತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಅಭಿನಯಿಸಿ ಆನಂದಿಸಿದರು.
Independence Day is a significant event that celebrates the freedom and sovereignty of our nations. Various competitions such as mono acting, speech competitions, fancy dress, coloring and drawing of our national flags were organized to allow students to engage in the celebration and express their national pride. This helped in promoting patriotism, enhancing knowledge and skills, building unity, and providing a platform for students to showcase their talents and achievements.
We, the students of grade 5, have learned about the variation of our pulse rates and recorded it in a practical activity. We also made a chart on emergency numbers, first aid given to common ailments, and road signs for a science lesson, safety and first aid. The importance of a first aid was also covered as we put together a first aid box. ಕನ್ನಡಮ್ಮನ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ನಾವು ಪ್ರೀತಿಯ ಗಂಧವ ಸೂಸುವೆವು, ಸಮರಸದಲ್ಲಿ ಹೃದಯವ ಬೆಸೆದು ನಾಡಿನ ಸಿರಿಯನ್ನು ಬೆಳಗುವೆವು, ಸವಿದಷ್ಟು ಸಾಕಾಗದ ಅಮೃತವೆನಿಸುವ ಭಾಷೆ ಕನ್ನಡ. ಬನ್ನಿರಿ ನಾವೆಲ್ಲರೂ ಕನ್ನಡ ಕಲಿಯೋಣ, ಬದುಕಿನ ತಿರುಳನ್ನು ಅರೆಯೋಣ, ಗಂಧದ ಪರಿಮಳ ಎಲ್ಲೆಡೆ ಪಸರಿಸಿ ಕನ್ನಡ ಡಿಂಡಿಮ ಬಾರಿಸೋಣ. ಎ.ಕೆ. ರಾಮೇಶ್ವರ ಕವಿಯು ಬರೆದ ಕನ್ನಡ ನುಡಿ ಎಂಬ ಪದ್ಯವನ್ನು ರಾಗವಾಗಿ ಹಾಡುವ ಮೂಲಕ ಆನಂದಿಸಿ ನಾಡು ನುಡಿಯ ಮಹತ್ವವನ್ನು ತಿಳಿದುಕೊಂಡೆವು. We, the students of grade 3, visited our school library to get an idea regarding in the different genre of books available. The librarian guided us regarding how the books are arranged and the procedure to borrow the books. This trip instilled curiosity about books among us. This is related to the lesson Matilda.
Teachers' Day holds immense importance as it provides a special opportunity to honor and appreciate the individual contribution of our teachers. At Shakti Residential School, the management acknowledged the dedication, hard work, and unwavering commitment of teachers to shape young minds. Students' genuine affection, heartfelt messages, and creative videos were truly heartwarming. Such acts of appreciation go a long way in boosting the morale of educators. The teachers were amazed by the overflowing love and respect exhibited by the students towards their teachers.
We, the students of grade 4, took part in an experiment which helped us learn about substances that dissolve and not dissolve in water. This also helped us learn about solubility and insolubility of substances, as well as how to structure and perform more scientific experiments. We, the students of grade 5, were involved in a group activity in which each group prepared a chart on major landforms of India, such as the mountains, plains, plateaus, deserts, and rivers. Each of us were engaged in contributing to the given topics, which helped us to explore more about the particular landforms.
Celebrating Raksha Bandhan in schools is a wonderful way to teach students about the significance of this festival and the importance of relationships. It is one of the deepest and purest human emotion. The students of Shakti celebrated this festival with great zeal. We, the students of grade 1, were introduced to keyboard layout with the help of tux typing. My classmates and I had a wonderful experience in learning letters and improving our typing skills. पञ्चमवर्गीयः छात्राः वयं क्रियापदानाम् अभिनयः इति संस्कृतक्रियाकलापे भागवाजः अभवाम. अनेन वयम् अनेकक्रियापदानां तथा तेषाम् अर्थान् च अभिनयमाध्यमेन अजानीम. We, the students of grade 3,
created a simple digital art project using shapes and colors in MS Paint. It was a fun-filled activity. My classmates and I had a great experience in learning MS Paint.
We at Shakti are committed to providing a nurturing environment that facilitates holistic development and academic excellence. We will continue striving to create an atmosphere where your child can thrive, explore their potential, and become responsible individuals who contribute positively to society.